Hi, Tommy Singh here. You may remember me from videos as how to install black duck seat covers into your 79 series. In this video, out with the old, in with the new. I've got a Darche shower awning, so we're going to install this.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
Let's open it up and have a look what's inside. Off the bat, got a nice little peg bag, by the looks of it. I reckon it might have some brackets in there. Not sure if I'm going to use their brackets. Okay, a little instruction booklet. I'll give that to the missus to read. Four steel pegs. Actually nice to get steel pegs instead of aluminium. Very happy with that. Little thing to hold your little shower nozzle onto. Stainless steel fittings. That O'Neill ratchet spanner, also good to see. A little bit of elastic clips, I think that's for the roof. Stainless steel backing plates for the mounts and powder coated steel mounts. So we'll see if we're going to use these or not. Lastly, a 30mm and a 10mm spanner, also nice to get a bit of hardware. Material's kind of just like a poly canvas material. Obviously backing plate, nice little logo. We'll whack her up and see how she looks. Okay, so now it's just a matter of lifting it up, lining up the bolt holes. Might get a nut just loosely onto one of them. Loosely put one of the bolts on and got all four bolts through the holes of the bracket. You can adjust it to either side that you want to have it. I reckon probably for me, around about there will be perfect. Alright, so the bottom ones are done. Now just to do the two top ones, to put the washers on them. So if you remember, I only just slightly put them up. I can tell you one thing, it's definitely handy having these ratchet spanners that come with kits these days. Just wish they made things a little bit differently now, different sizes. I've got a few 13mm. She's all up there. The only thing I might do later on is I might flip my brackets to bring it down lower, but I'll have to check to see if that's going to get in the way of the door. But we'll open her up. Flip the bag over, undo these little ring pulls. That's the roof. Set aside for the time being. Got two more ring pulls. No, she's at a good height. Might open her up and have a look on the inside. Now, one of the main reasons why I did choose a Darche shower awning, and that's mainly because of the inside. Not that I'm really too bothered about it, but Mrs. might be. When you're having a shower, you don't really, at night, you don't really want a silhouette where somebody can see your shadow. I'm not really that bothered by it. I've been used to just hide behind the bloody car before I got these things. Take a look in here. So you got a little soap pouch thing. You've got a dry pouches here, so you can put all your like your keys and your wallet in there. Don't have to worry about them getting wet. Now I've got another little door access, so you'll be able to get to your window. So if you have your clothes in there, you'll be able to, you know, get in there easily. Cool little feature. You've got an actual light in this one, so built-in light, and it is actually, the power lead is actually long enough. Power lead comes all the way, so I can fit that all the way to my dog box. Okay, so up to the top here, there's a little Velcro tab. Put that on. Should be a little. That's one arm in. All you have to do is use these little stainless steel clips. Get the other arm in. Like that. Alright, roll up the roof, which I don't think that's a really big concern that you can't leave the roof on there, because quite frankly I don't think I'm always going to use it. If I do find a way, I'll definitely add it into the video. Almost forgot the LED cable. Alright, she's in. All packed up. It's not too bad to pack up. It's actually quite, the bag's quite large. I did discover later on, these little plates, they're adjustable, so you can actually get a little bit more lower or higher depending on what your application is. So I might put them on later. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Pow!